In a recent event, Argus Director of Research Jim Kelleher provided valuable insights into potential stock picks for the year 2024. Let's take a closer look at the key points he highlighted during the discussion. 1. NVIDIA. During the recent event, Argus Director of Research Jim Kelleher delved into the remarkable trajectory of NVIDIA, a company that has experienced an impressive run in the stock market. In contrast to prevailing expectations, Jim put forth the notion that NVIDIA remains a viable and attractive option for investors. His stance reflects a certain optimism and confidence in the continued growth potential of the company, despite the challenges and fluctuations in the broader market. Jim's analysis focused on NVIDIA's pivotal role in the ongoing AI gold rush, underscoring the company's strategic positioning as a key player in the realms of generative AI and cloud-based services. Rather than merely being a beneficiary of the AI wave, NVIDIA has positioned itself as a critical contributor by providing essential components, often likened to picks and shovels in the context of a gold rush. This analogy alludes to the idea that NVIDIA is not merely riding the wave, but actively enabling and facilitating the expansion of AI technologies, symbolizing its instrumental role in the industry's growth. The emphasis on generative AI is particularly noteworthy, considering the evolving landscape of artificial intelligence. Jim's insights suggest that NVIDIA is not resting on its laurels, but actively participating in the unfolding age of generative AI. This involvement includes the sale of GPUs, CPUs, software support, and even venturing into the provision of cloud-based AI services. The multifaceted approach taken by NVIDIA positions it as a comprehensive solution provider, catering to the growing demands of the AI market. Jim's discussion on NVIDIA paints a picture of a company that not only weathered market fluctuations, but continues to thrive and innovate. The strategic focus on generative AI and cloud services aligns with the evolving technological landscape, indicating NVIDIA's adaptability and foresight. Investors, according to Jim, should not underestimate the potential for further growth and innovation from NVIDIA, making it a compelling consideration for those navigating the dynamic terrain of the stock market. 2. AMD. In the recent event, Jim Kelleher, the Director of Research at Argus, provided keen insights into the competitive dynamics of the tech industry, with a specific focus on AMD. Jim highlighted AMD as a significant player in the competitive landscape, steering away from the conventional narrative that often categorizes AMD predominantly as a GPU maker. Instead, Jim shed light on AMD's commendable success in gaining market share in the traditional CPU, central processing unit, computing domain, thereby positioning itself as a formidable challenger to the industry giant, Intel. AMD's strategic moves in the CPU market were underscored by Jim, emphasizing the company's achievements in disrupting the established order and carving out a substantial share for itself. The Ryzen and EPYC processors from AMD were specifically noted by Jim as instrumental in propelling the company's ascent. These processors, designed for consumer-grade and enterprise-level computing, respectively, have garnered acclaim for their performance, efficiency, and competitive pricing. The success of AMD in both graphics and computing, as highlighted by Jim, showcases the company's versatility and innovation. In the realm of graphics, AMD has carved a niche for itself, competing head-to-head with industry leaders. Simultaneously, in the CPU market, AMD has managed to challenge Intel's dominance, offering consumers and businesses compelling alternatives. Jim's focus on AMD's diverse product portfolio signifies the company's well-rounded approach to the semiconductor market. By excelling in both GPU and CPU segments, AMD has positioned itself as a comprehensive solution provider, catering to a broad spectrum of computing needs. This diversification not only enhances AMD's competitiveness, but also affords it resilience in the face of market fluctuations and evolving consumer preferences. Jim's observations on AMD shed light on the company's strategic moves beyond its GPU reputation. By gaining ground in CPU computing and offering products like Ryzen and EPYC processors, AMD has not only disrupted the industry narrative, but has emerged as a force to be reckoned with in both graphics and computing, underlining the company's capacity for innovation and its ability to navigate the dynamic tech landscape. 3. Arista Networks. During the recent event, Jim Kelleher, the director of research at Argus, turned the spotlight towards Arista Networks, a relatively less discussed name in the tech industry. Jim's insights illuminated Arista's distinctive position as a cloud-based networking company, challenging the perception that only tech giants dominate this niche. He underscored Arista's pivotal role in the industry, particularly in providing networking solutions for major players like Google and Microsoft. Jim highlighted Arista's unique value proposition, emphasizing the company's focus on cloud-based networking services. In a landscape dominated by high-profile tech companies, Arista has quietly carved out a niche by offering essential infrastructure for data centers and cloud computing. This focus positions Arista at the core of the digital revolution, enabling the seamless flow of information and data between data centers and their ultimate destinations. Furthermore, Jim drew attention to Arista's growing cloud business related to generative AI, marking a significant and forward-looking strategy. As the tech industry pivots towards artificial intelligence, Arista's involvement in supporting generative AI through its networking services aligns with the evolving demands of the digital era. The company's ability to adapt and cater to the requirements of cutting-edge technologies positions it as a key player in shaping the future of cloud-based services. In the realm of tech infrastructure, Arista Networks has quietly emerged as a linchpin, as highlighted by Jim Kelleher, the director of research at Argus. Through its provision of networking solutions to major industry players like Google and Microsoft, Arista has seamlessly woven itself into the fabric of the digital landscape, becoming an integral force that powers our digital experiences. Despite operating behind the scenes, Arista's contribution is far from negligible. It is fundamental to the smooth operation of tech giants, facilitating the rapid and efficient transfer of data within data centers and across the broader digital ecosystem. Jim's characterization of Arista as a quiet achiever draws attention to the company's impactful yet unobtrusive role in the industry. While its influence may not be immediately apparent, the significance of Arista's networking solutions lies in the robust foundation it provides for the operations of major tech players. In essence, Arista's unassuming presence underscores the critical importance of seamless networking infrastructure in sustaining the functionality of the digital world. This positioning within the technological infrastructure showcases Arista as an unsung hero, quietly empowering the operations of tech giants and, by extension, shaping the overall efficiency and interconnectedness of the broader digital ecosystem. Jim's spotlight on Arista Networks during the event highlighted the company's unique positioning as a cloud-based networking specialist. Arista's role in supporting major players and its emphasis on generative AI within the cloud business underscore its significance as a quiet achiever in the tech industry, contributing silently yet substantially to the ever-evolving landscape of digital connectivity and innovation. 4. ASML. In the recent event, Jim Kelleher, Argus Director of Research, offered a perspective that deviated from recent headlines, expressing unwavering confidence in ASML, a key player in the semiconductor industry. The focus of his analysis centered on ASML's commitment to cutting-edge technology, particularly its emphasis on extreme ultraviolet lithography machines. These machines play a critical role in the production of advanced semiconductors, showcasing ASML's pivotal position in shaping the future of the semiconductor landscape. Jim's endorsement of ASML was anchored in the company's strategic focus on developing EUV machines. These machines enable the creation of semiconductors at unprecedented levels of precision and miniaturization, addressing the growing demand for more powerful and efficient electronic devices. ASML's dedication to this cutting-edge technology places it at the forefront of semiconductor manufacturing, with EUV lithography becoming a linchpin for the industry's progress. Despite the challenges that ASML faces, such as bans on shipments to China, Jim remained optimistic about the company's prospects. By acknowledging the obstacles, including geopolitical tensions affecting global trade, Jim provided a balanced assessment of the risks associated with investing in ASML. He also emphasized the broader context of global demand for semiconductor technology, mitigating concerns about specific geopolitical hurdles. Jim's emphasis on the continued global demand for semiconductor technology underscores ASML's resilience in the face of challenges. The ban on shipments to China, while posing a headwind, doesn't overshadow the fact that semiconductor technology is a global necessity. The ubiquity of semiconductors in various industries ensures a consistent and substantial market for ASML's products, even if certain geopolitical factors temporarily disrupt specific avenues. Jim Kelleher's confidence in ASML reflects a strategic understanding of the company's position within the semiconductor industry. ASML's dedication to cutting-edge technology, particularly EUV lithography, positions it as a crucial player in advancing semiconductor capabilities. Despite challenges, the global demand for semiconductor technology remains a driving force, assuring investors of a sustained market for ASML's products and reinforcing the company's resilience in navigating the complexities of the semiconductor landscape. This recap provided a glimpse into Jim Kelleher's insights on the top stock picks for 2024. Whether it's navigating the evolving landscape of generative AI or meeting the demand for advanced semiconductor technology, Jim's analysis offers valuable perspectives for investors. Stay informed, invest wisely, and be prepared for the dynamic shifts in the market landscape.